Imagine if you took out $500,000 to become a dentist and then you lost your job and had to do Uber Eats. So this happened to me during the pandemic. I lost my job as a dentist and I didn't have anything else to do with my time, or did I have any other skills? So I decided to do Uber Eats to make some money. It was something I never even thought that I would be doing, especially after all the years of going to school to become a dentist. But my circumstances forced me into a situation where I had to make a decision. Either I could do nothing and accept my reality, or I could do something to be able to provide for myself and my family. That type of mindset translated into everything else that I did thereafter. And step by step over time, that has now led to me practicing part-time as a dentist, working 2 days a week, while having a 6-figure online business that I run. Let this be inspiration to you that no matter what your circumstances are, if you put your mind to something and you show up for it consistently, you can do anything.